Hey guys, how you're going? I hope you're having a fantastic day and you are ready to learn lots of things about how to get rid of wrinkles and things on your face, specifically this bit here. Wrinkling here between the brows is so frustrating, and it's something that I struggled with for quite a while. I was like, oh, I'm just gonna have to wait until I can afford Botox because I can't, like, what am I supposed to do? But then I started doing this one particular thing. Now, for this trick, you don't necessarily need anything else. You don't really need moisturizer or oil or anything, but I find that using an oil does work better. My number one has always been rosehip oil, and I really like this one from Trilogy. The other one that I'm actually testing at the moment, I'm getting towards the end of my 30-day test with this one. Eating my hair. It is by Dewy & Bay. It's their Raw Glow, and I haven't used this today, so that's why I'm going to be using this one today, but please go ahead and use whatever oils that you have. So I'm just going to put a wee bit of oil dotted on my face. It's super important that when you are massaging your face that you're pretty gentle with yourself. Sometimes people can get a bit rough and tough with their skin, and while it might not show straight away, later on down the track it can. Also, a subscriber said to me, don't forget your neck, because people do all these fabulous things with their faces. They get to like 40 or 50 and their faces are gorgeous, but their necks are crinkly. You know, it's just don't do that to yourself. Now for the massage. So with this area in here, I use my fingertips like this, and I move my fingertips up through my eyebrows like this and to the sides. This movement here, it's almost like it's relaxing the muscles. Think of when you go and get a really nice massage, or maybe you don't, but sometimes people really love massages, and that action of kneading the skin and kneading the muscles underneath the skin is what helps to kind of chill everything out and relax it. And I do definitely find that that gentle but firm massage just in that area relaxes everything. It's amazing. You can also do a really gentle little circular motion like this between your brows to help relax the muscles there too. I really only spend like maybe 10, 20, 30 seconds doing this, and that's it, and it does the trick. You can also do further massages on your face, like massage your forehead real gently underneath your eyes. Just move your fingertips. This is why I was saying like the oil is really good for this. And the other one that I like to do, sometimes I get these, it's almost like bumps like underneath my skin, and I can feel them when, you might be able to feel them now too. If you touch your face right now, and you might be able to feel them as well. If you move your fingertips on your jawline like this, you might feel some bumps and lumps, and there's nothing particularly wrong with that. But I find that if I give this area a little bit of a massage like this, it really starts to loosen up all those lumps and bumps, and they disappear. It's amazing. The last kind of little facial massage that I like to do is just give this area here a little bit of a massage, because I get, you know, lines here, my smile lines. So I like to give that a little bit of a massage. Apart from that, a little pitter-patter over my face. Give yourself a little bit of TLC. Give your skin a little bit of TLC. If this is a problem area for you, I challenge you to now give this a go, because I was highly skeptical, and then I started doing it and I'm like, oh my God, it's working. And it started working within days. So I challenge you, give it a go. Maybe even post some pictures, like tag me on Instagram and that kind of stuff, and let me know how you go with it. I hope you've enjoyed this quick little tip, and I enjoy seeing you all next Thursday. Have a really fantastic rest of the day, guys, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Mwah! Bye.